I'm dirty and I'm tired, but Timmy really wants to reveal his more capable off-road adventure bike to y'all. So we gotta do what we gotta do, so stay tuned. All right, Timmy, come on out. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wrong one.
All right, hopefully he's got the correct bite this time. Some of y'all guessed right. It's a Yamaha Tenere 700 T7 for short. It's a 2020. Pretty stock, pretty basic. We done peeled some graphics off the side right there because we're getting ready for some upgrades on this thing. And we got the one thing you got to get rid of first off. It's got these Trail Mission Max Frank from One Old Man Riding's favorite tire.
No.
We got to throw those things in the trash, right?
Yeah, right. None of that's gonna happen.
Yeah. The Mochas are on the way for this bad boy. Like I see, the windscreen's gone right now. It's just off for some cleaning. It's not broken. Got the Cycler handguards on there already. Done installed those. These are knockoff double take mirrors. Timmy's done put those on there too. And what else is the new grips is already on there. Got stock foot pegs. It's got a few things it does already have. It's got the Camel ADV anti-bobble up here already. It's got the Camel ADV skid plate. It's got I think those are Heed crash bars, I believe, that's on there. Like I said, another Trail Mission Max, however you say that, rear tire, trash.
It's the right thing.
Stock exhaust, trash. Already got exhaust coming for it. Pretty clean bike though. And I will tell y'all, I got to give a huge shout out to Tim Reeder. Some of y'all may know him, some of y'all don't. They run the SOAC part down near Charleston. He gave Timmy one hell of a deal on this bike. It needs a few things, and Tim knew that, but he also, I guess, likes us for some reason, and he gave Timmy a good deal on it.
Really good deal.
But future plans, just to let y'all know, it's got graphic kit coming, exhaust is on its way, done did a few things. What else you got?
Tires,
levers. Yeah, we're going to change these
outside the mirrors
to levers, shorter levers. The handguard's already on there.
New rack, new side rack, new panniers, new top bag, everything.
Yeah, all that's going to be, all this is kind of wore out, so.
Also turn signals, the upgrade.
Yep, turn signals, the back ones are already on there. If I don't forget a few things, but like I said, it needs a few little things. It needs to clean it up. Timmy done that already. But it's going to get some upgrades, some tires, graphics, pipe, racks, side racks, bags, going rackless bags on this one too to keep it light. So it'll look totally different. What I think that we're gonna do, we're not gonna go step by step. There's tons of Tenere videos out there. He just wanted a more capable off-road bike than the V-Strom. He already loves it, I think.
Yeah,
a little bit he got to ride.
I love it. It handles, it's much easier to handle already. I haven't rode it off-road yet, but I can already tell a big difference.
But a weekend warrior trip is coming up, so we're trying to get that ready for that. But probably do the graphic install as a video. Maybe let you hear the difference in the pipe because it's more budget friendly Delkevic exhaust. But there's tons of Tenere videos out there, so we're not going to repeat a bunch of stuff, but want to show you what it looks like now, which is pretty clean, but it's going to look super awesome when it gets done. Everything should be here within short order, and have this thing hooked up and ready for some off-road riding.
Yep, we'll see y'all guys on the show next time.
You're pretty excited about it.
Really excited.
Now
I'm gonna jump.
Yeah, he might be able to keep up with the 990 a little bit now, you know. So like I said, more content coming. Quick little video to show you what his new bike is, and give you a look at it right now and what it's going to look like in the future, which is the near future. It's going to be pretty badass, trust me. And more weekend warrior trips coming, more content coming. So if you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. We'll see y'all in the next one. It's a Delkevic exhaust baffle in on the Tenere 700. baffle out now on the Tenere 700. Pacific Power Sports coming through once again with the super fast shipping. One day to get these Motos tires to my doorstep. That's freaking awesome. Got a little bit different tire combo to try on Timmy's new bike, but either way, it's always Motos or nothing.